Today, we're replacing a toilet flapper to fix an intermittently running toilet which runs for just a few seconds at a time, throughout the day, every day. This is typically the result of an issue with either the flapper or the fill valve. Since a faulty flapper is one of the most common causes of a periodically running toilet, we'll focus on how to replace it and talk about one commonly used product that could be responsible for your faulty flapper. First, locate the shutoff valve behind the toilet and turn it clockwise to stop the water flow. Carefully remove the tank lid and set it aside on a soft surface. Flush the toilet to remove most of the water from the tank. First, check the condition of the flapper. To see if it's sealing properly, remove the flapper for a better view. Disconnect the chain from the flush handle, then unclip or slide the flapper ring ends off the overflow tube base. Use pliers if needed for easier removal. Clean around the edge of the flush valve opening where the flapper rests to remove any debris or sediment that might be preventing a good seal. Take a look at the edge of the flapper. If it's badly worn, misshapen, or damaged, it may not be fully sealing the flush valve opening, allowing water to pass through. Our flapper had debris and wavy edges, so we decided to replace it. Remember this statement about a commonly used product that might cause a faulty flapper? I learned that using bleach tablets in your tank can cause flappers to wear more quickly since bleach exposure over time degrades the rubber or plastic flapper, making it brittle, cracked, or warped, which can result in a toilet that runs periodically. Fluidmaster, a manufacturer of toilet repair products, has the following statement on their website. Most of Fluidmaster's valves, flappers, and flush valves have a 5 to 7 year warranty, and typically last beyond these years when not exposed to the harmful effects of drop-in bleach tablets. Drop-in bleach tablets can degrade these toilet parts so they do not function properly, e.g. seal leaks, within a year or two. To find a flapper replacement that's either universal or made for your toilet brand, measure the diameter of the flapper. Replacement flappers are typically sold in 2 and 3 inch sizes. Before attaching the new flapper, look for an adjustable part on the top or bottom of the flapper. With some flappers, you can increase or decrease the amount of water used to flush the toilet. Attach the new flapper to the base of the overflow tube. We chose a universal flapper that easily clips into place. Connect the chain clip to the toilet handle lever, leaving about ½ an inch of slack. This typically means moving the chain clip to a different chain link. Optionally, cut any excess chain length. Ensure the flapper lifts entirely when holding the toilet handle down. To test, turn on the water supply to fill the toilet tank. After it's full, flush the toilet and make sure it flushes properly, adjusting the amount of water used to flush the toilet as needed. Once the toilet is flushing properly, put the toilet tank lid back on. Hopefully, while monitoring the toilet over the course of the next day or two, you'll notice you no longer hear the sound of the tank being refilled periodically. For more info on several other issues that can cause an intermittently or constantly running toilet, check out this video next.